Hi, I'm Ashley Hards and I'm here today at Rockschool HQ to talk to you about the best way of holding your ukulele. If you have a strap, you'll be able to play sitting down or standing up. Keep the strap quite short and also keep the neck of the ukulele pointing up towards the sky. This is a really comfortable way to play, and it means that you can keep your wrists straight, which helps your fingers move much faster. You might not have a strap for your ukulele. If this is the case, it's much easier to play sitting down. Rest the ukulele on both your legs so that you don't accidentally drop it on the floor. You can see that my leg is raised, which helps get the angle of the neck right so that it's still pointing towards the sky. This keeps my wrist nice and straight so that I can comfortably play all the notes.